Ever wished you could hit undo on a breakup? Or finally gather the courage to talk to your crush? What if AI could help you do just that, but with a twist? Think about it. An AI robot that looks, sounds, and acts just like your ex, or the crush you've been secretly pining for. Imagine coming home to a perfect replica of someone you used to love, or maybe someone you always wished loved you back. Only this time, they're an AI robot, always ready to respond exactly how you want. The future of AI doppelgangers. AI has been progressing rapidly, especially in creating humanoid robots that look human. And not to mention, experts have been working on robots, which can copy the personalities of your favorite people. This can happen due to data like pictures, videos, and even text messages programmed into robots. Isn't that exciting? I cannot wait to see this technology in action. This means we could resurrect anyone or make a perfect version of someone we admire. This concept might remind you of some movies, but it's already near. In 2024, humanoid robots like Tiangong and Unitriji One show just how amazing AI and robotics have become. With capabilities like face modeling, smooth movements, and voice-based interaction, these robots hint at what's next. Robots that look and act exactly like specific people. Your awkward dating days are over. If you've ever spent hours planning how to ask your crush out, then AI might be your new favorite. Why deal with nerves when you can just create a robot that looks exactly like them and practice with it? I know it sounds stupid, but some people might find the idea tempting. But here's the funny part. What happens when you still get refused by your AI crush? The humiliation would be endless, but hey, if they reject you, you still have a backup, right? Would people actually want this? The idea of having a robot version of your ex or crush might feel strange for some, but for others, it's the ultimate fantasy. There's also a growing interest in emotional support with AI companions. Program a familiar face and personality into the robot, and people might be dying to buy it. This is because AI chatbots are becoming more popular among men and women alike. Women tend to want them more for emotional support and a non-judgmental space. Now imagine if that chatbot became a physical person, a humanoid robot that could look and sound like the person you once loved. Would it help, or would it just stir up some lost feelings? It's a fine line, and it's why this technology initiates debate. The serious side. Will this mess with our minds? It's all fun and games until things get too serious. Would these AI robots help you move on or just keep you stuck in the past? Psychologists already tell us about the consequences of living in the past, and an AI doppelganger could be the way to relive those memories. Studies suggest that more people are using AI chatbots for emotional support. In fact, some are even developing romantic feelings for them. Now think of combining that attachment with a physical robot that looks like someone you have loved. Would we get too attracted to something that isn't even real? The scary side, when AI doppelgangers go too far. Here's where it gets too scary. AI doppelgangers could be the perfect partner, designed to fit your every need, never argue, and always say the right thing. But what happens when you start favoring the robot over actual humans? Some experts believe these robots could lead to a future where people aren't bothered to date real people anymore. After all, why deal with human emotions when you can have a perfect AI partner who never fights or messes things up? In 2024, we've already seen robots like Ameka or Tesla's robots showing off their incredible lifelike movements and advanced features. Picture these robots pretending to be someone you know. Could we be entering a dystopian world where humans are replaced by AI in every aspect of life, even love, Uncanny Valley, and beyond? The idea of AI doppelgangers plays right into the Uncanny Valley effect, where robots look almost human, but not quite enough. Maybe your AI doppelganger could start acting a little too lifelike, saying things only your real ex would know. Or worse, what if they start acting in ways you don't have control over? This technology could easily change from helpful to downright creepy, especially if these robots start learning more than their programming. Is it even legal? The ethical debate? Creating an AI doppelganger isn't just a funny or therapeutic idea. it also brings up some serious questions. Should we be allowed to make robots that look exactly like real people? What happens if someone creates a doppelganger without any consent? The legal world hasn't even caught up to AI, let alone this scenario. Experts already raised concerns about privacy and facial recognition. And it would be horrible if that technology was used to replicate a person entirely without them knowing. This could open the door to everything from manipulation to stalker bots. AI doppelgangers might seem like a funny idea, or even a comforting one for those who want to relive past relationships. But they could also lead us down a path where the line between real human connection and AI is blurred. The future of love, crushes, and breakups is about to change with AI. Like and share with your friends to start interesting conversations. Subscribe to never miss an update on AI robots and new technology.